Okay, hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. We're doing something with our well today, and what we're gonna do, we got some pipes in there, and we're gonna take them out and cut them up and see what's on the bottom of the pipe. Okay, this is what we're doing today. We're gonna get the pipes, the PVC pipes, that you can see here. And we're going to lift them up out of the well and cut them off and keep cutting them off until we find out what is at the bottom of the pipe.
We got 34 feet.
And we got about 34 feet of pipe to cut, and we'll probably cut it in about probably 8 foot, 10 foot sections. So I'll try and position the camera where you guys can see it, but I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, yeah, next time we're going to cut the pipe. See you in a bit.
All this water is going to squirt out all around here.
Okay. Let me make sure this is actually recording. Yeah, I got a red dot. Okay. Alright. Here we go.
Hold it, hold. Now you have to wait now because I have to push him down. This is going to take a while. I'm going to take them both, just in case. Have you got it?
Mm-hmm.
It'll get lighter as we go.
Yeah, and this is a pump that weighs 50 pounds on the bottom.
Okay, keep going. How high do you want it? Okay, right.
Oh,
okay.
Dude. Come on. I got an idea. Pick that thing up. We're gonna take it all out at one time.
We can't.
Yeah, we can.
You can't bend it.
Yeah, we can. It's PVC.
Let's cut it. You're going to have to cut it. You can't hold it.
Just like that. Hold it just like that.
Okay, hold it like that and step back. And I'll cut it and we'll let the water.
No, don't cut it out because it's like that.
I won't cut it all the way through, just enough to get the water out of it.
All right.
That'll start. It's going to get on you.
All right, cut, stop. Do the other one. All right, stop.
Yep, let the water all out. That'll help. Your load will be lightened quite a bit.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna lift it again.
Don't let it go down.
Well,
just leave it till it stops.
After it stops,
then raise it.
I'm gonna raise it, but you hold the thing down.
But let it stop. That'll get the water out of here.
All right.
I think it'd been easier to just take up 10 feet. Because you can't. No, just.
It's PVC pipe over there.
You ain't going to bend that much. Let it stop, and then that means that all the water is out of it from up there. Yeah, that should make it lighter.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
All right. Okay. You want to?
Okay, hold it, and I'm going to cut it.
Actually, probably cut the top of these off if you want to do that.
Now let me get the water out of here. No water?
Yeah, there's got to be water in it. There, stop. Okay.
Boy, that's a big casing. My God.
You might want to get a flashlight and look down in there.
We will when we get it up and get it out of here. I wish we could. See, you got them up there.
They're gonna go that way.
I wanted to cut it, and then
If you want, cut it off right here. Then.
you can't hold
Cut it off right there.
You can't hold it.
Cut it off.
Have you got it?
Yeah, I got it. It's not going in.
Hang on to it. There we go. Hang on.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. I'm gonna let it go.
Okay.
That'll get some of the weight off.
No, not much.
Huh?
PVC don't weigh that much.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know, okay, next time you cut it so it'll fall that way,
Okay.
not toward me.
Okay. Oh.
What?
Have you got it? Not going to go any farther. That's it. Because it's been.
Okay.
See, that's why I wanted to leave it.
All right. We would have had to take it up at this point anyway.
Yeah, but it would have been better. I could have taken the clamps off and put them down here, see?
Yeah. Well, this one of the slid down
No.
below.
Give me that.
Go in the garage, get the DeWalt,
Those ain't.
get those clamps. And
Those clamps
the pipe.
ain't going to hold it.
I see water down in the plate.
I had to be careful so I don't fall.
I'm not saying anything about that.
This is what I want. I wanted these clamps. I'm going to put them on down here.
What are they going to clamp onto?
Oh, wait a minute.
Take your time.
Whoa. Be so careful. You want me to put them on here?
If you want.
Oh, I could have just put them over.
Yeah. That's cool. I think all you got to do is one.
Just one. That's all I need. And you rest your hand. You rest your arms in your hand while this is on. You won't go anywhere. You can't. If it goes down, it can't go down. Okay, rest your arms.
It's not moving. It's not moving, and it should be. Well, maybe not. Maybe.
I wonder, is your water up in here now?
I don't know if you want to cut it.
Yeah, I guess there is. Why can't I cut a little notch here and here and let the water drain out?
That's good if you want to do it.
because it ain't gonna break the pipe.
That's not really enough water to, it's only maybe a gallon of water.
Let's down the water.
Probably not even a gallon of water. Alright.
Let that drain out.
That's the other one.
It'll drain out. It'll drain up to here.
I see water in there. You see water in there? There's water in there.
There is.
Yeah, in the casing pipe.
I can't cut it because
Okay, well.
if you move it over to the corner, move it around here.
The corners help to hold it up.
Okay, this one hold it up.
The corner help, and it's on both sides holding it up.
All you need is just put it on one here.
And this ain't gonna slide.
Here. Push it over here. There you go. This'll hold it. This'll hold it. No. Oh, right. There you go. The other one's already drained out. I'll let it drain. That'll get some extra weight off of it. You're in no hurry. Let it drain.
Again, this wood thing cannot go around the connections down there.
Okay, now, how do we want to do this? I want to save this now. I don't want to.
You want to save that, you're going to have to take that clamp off, run it up above the pipes, and take that wood thing off. Okay. You take that wood thing off, there ain't nothing to clamp them together. Go ahead and get that DeWalt clamp, or the blue one, so we can clamp the, get the blue one, see if it will work.
Those little blue ones won't hold it.
Yeah, these are all bitty clamps.
I know they won't. But that big one, the wall will, but I don't know if it'll fit in.
I don't know if it'll fit in the hole or not either. Yeah, I think we should just pull it all out.
Yeah, the next time when
we'll just pull it all out, because there ain't nothing to do. And how many more feet do we got? We only got like 15 more feet to go. Okay guys, there is a metal casing in here, and these two pipes go through the metal casing. And we're trying to get one of our DeWalt clamps to clamp it down and stop it from going anywhere. More back into the hole where it came from. And if that happens, we're in deep poo-poo.